Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the usage of logical operators in the MS Excel. That is equal to or not equal to, greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, or lesser than or equal to. These are the some of the logical operators that we can use in the MS Excel. Now let us see how to use these operators in the MS Excel. When we have a data that needs to be compared, then we can use this logical operator to compare those data. Here you can see I have a table which consists of price of the products in store A and store B. Now let us compare this using these logical operators. Whenever we want to use any formula in the MS Excel, then the formula will start with the equal symbol. Now let us start comparing the data using these formulas. Now I will select the price of pen in the store A and in store B, then I will compare it. Now I am using the formula, that is equals price of pen in store A, then again equals, then I am selecting the price of pen in store B. Now I am clicking on enter. Here you can see we have got the result as false. That means the price of a pen in the store A and the price of the pen in store B, they are not equal. Both the prices are different here. In this I had used equal operator. Like this we can use others operators and we can check whether they are correct or not. Next we will see the not equal operator. For not equal operator, we will be using this symbol. That is, we will be using the both greater than and less than symbol simultaneously. Then it becomes the not equal symbol. Now I will compare the price of the notebook in store A and store B using this not equal operator. Now I will write the formula here. Equals. Now I am selecting the price of the notebook in store A. Then I am using this not equal symbol. Now I am selecting the price of the notebook in store B. Now I am clicking on enter. Here you can see we have got the result as true. That means the price of the notebook in store A and store B, they are not equal. Similarly, I will now compare the other products comparison between the store A and store B using the other logical operators. Now I will do the greater than operator. Now I am using this formula equals price of the stapler in store A. Next is greater than the price of the stapler in store B. I am selecting the price here. Now I am clicking on the enter. Now you can see I have got the result as true. That means the price of the stapler in store A, it is greater than the price of the stapler in store B. Now I will be using the greater than or equal to operator here. Now I am comparing the price of the eraser in store A and store B. Equals, I am selecting the price in the store A, greater than or equal to. Now I am selecting the price in the store B. Then I am clicking on enter. Now you can see we have got the result here. In the same way I will do for other two also. That is less than and less than or equal to. Now I am comparing them. I am using the formula now. I am selecting the prices less than. Then I am using the formula. Then I am clicking on enter here. I have received the result now. Now less than or equal to operator I am doing now. You can see I am using the formula. I am selecting the price in store A. Then I am using the symbol less than or equal to. Then again I am selecting the price in the store B. Now I am clicking on enter. Now you can see I have got the result. These are the logical formulas and it will be helpful when we use the functions like if, and, not, and many others. We will need to understand these logical operator functions if we want to use it in the other functions like if and some other functions.